Welcome to InvestingRamp, where we explore ways to ramp up our investments. In this video, we'll explore 10 wealth-building principles from a timeless book, The Richest Man in Babylon, and how they can help us invest. Leave a like and subscribe to see future videos. Now let's begin. Starting off with Arcade's principles, first is, pay yourself first. That is, every time you earn money, set aside a portion, at least 10%, for yourself, before any other expenses. Being a disciplined saver helps us grow wealth steadily over time. Second is, control thy expenditures. Per Arcade, The Richest Man in Babylon, you need to control our expenses, because by living below your means, you'll have surplus funds to save and invest. Check out my budgeting video for more. Now the fun stuff, make thy gold multiply. Arcade points out to us that money has the power to earn more money, and instead of letting it lie idle, as rainy day funds, invest it wisely to generate passive income. Next is, seek expert advice. Arcade's son, Nomasir, did lose money by investing in horses, as he was young and impulsive. Later he found out how important it is to seek professional advice. Keep seeking advice in investing or otherwise to build wealth. Next, guard thy treasures from loss. Put in some safeguards. One I like is picking safe dividend companies or ETFs and diversifying, aka spreading your investments across various assets, industries, regions to reduce risks. Next is, embrace long-term vision. Long-term investors, where you at? We know that building wealth requires patience and persistence. Don't seek quick riches or fall prey to get-rich-quick schemes. Instead, let time and compounding work for you. Number 7 is, make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. Arcade says that your property can be a significant investment that can bring us comfort and financial benefits, aka rent out or sell later, over the years. Next is, ensure a future income. Arcade says that there are many risks in life, and having a long-term safety net ensures we can manage those risks and not being wiped out from building our wealth over the years. Next is, take calculated risks. Sheru Nada, a merchant, shows us ways to take calculated risks in business. As Warren Buffett says, major mistakes in investing are from omission rather than commission. So let's seize good opportunities. What principles go without education? 10 is, increase thy ability to earn by continuous education. The wisdom of Babylon encourages us to seek knowledge about finance and wealth and keep building our wealth wisely over the long term. All in all, I will keep leveraging, and hope you also. The Wisdom Forum, George S. Clayson's timeless book, The Richest Man in Babylon, for long-term wealth building. Hope you enjoyed this one, and as always, check out my other videos and let the compounding force be with you.